Hello everyone, my name is Nur Adriana Bintul Makfauzi, AA 240352. Today I want to discuss about my part. To wrap up, let's briefly review the importance of each building's element we've discussed. The first one is roof and its finish. The roof is one of the most critical parts of a building. Its main role is to protect the house from external conditions such as rain, sun, and strong winds. A well-built roof starts with a strong frame made from timber or steel trusses, followed by a finish like tiles, metal, sheets, or shingles. The finish not only adds to the visual appeal to the home, but also helps in maintaining indoor temperature by providing insulation. A properly finished roof can last 40 years with minimal maintenance, making it both a functional and aesthetic feature of house. The second one is windows and doors. Windows and doors are connected the inside of the house to the outside environment. They allow natural light and air to enter, improvising comfort and energy efficiency. They also play a major role in security privacy. Materials like aluminium, UPVC, and timber are chosen based on durability, style, and climate. The right choice and correct installation of windows and doors ensures smooth operation, lower energy costs, and long-term performance. Features like better sealing, proper locking system, and quality frames enhance both safety and appearance. The last one is walls and finishes. Walls are the backbone of any building. They provide any support, define space, and ensure safety. They are usually built from bricks, blocks, or AAC panels for strength and durability. Once the structure is complete, finishes are applied. This can include plaster, paint, tiles, or timber cladding. Finishes serve to protect the surface from wear and environmental damage, as well as improve the overall look and feel of the face. Good finishing work also helps with clean lights and long-term maintenance. In conclusion, each element like roof, windows and doors, and walls and finishes has its own unique purpose and contribution to the building. When planned and executed properly, these elements work together to create a home that is safe, comfortable, efficient, and beautiful. Thank you.
Now, I'll be presenting about the concrete joints used in our bungalow construction project. Concrete joints are planned gaps in concrete to allow faces work and control cracking. In our project, we use two types, construction joints and contour joints. Construction joints are formed when concrete is poured at different times, like between a slab and a column. They help bond new and old concrete to maintain strength. Contour joints are shallow cuts in floors or pavement that guide where cracks should happen as concrete shrinks during drying. For construction joints, we clean and roughen the old surface, apply bonding agent, place steel bars, and pour new concrete. For contour joints, we mark the lines, then cut them after 6 to 12 hours using a saw, then sometimes we seal them. Materials include concrete, rebar, epoxy, and sealant. Tools used as a cutter, trowel brusher, vibrator, and safety gel. In short, both joints are essential for strong, crack-free, and durable concrete in our bungalow. In this section, I'll be presenting about the infrastructure in our bungalow project. Although often hidden, infrastructure is the backbone of a home. The three key systems are the water supply, drainage, and electrical wiring, all essential for daily comfort and safety. First, the water supply system delivers clean water to taps and bedroom using PVC or HDPE pipes. These pipes are tested for leaks and connected to a water tank or meter. Tools include pipe glue, cutters, and pressure tester. Next, the drainage system channels rainwater away using gutters, downpipes, and underground drains. Pipes are sloped to ensure water flows properly, protecting the house from flooding and erosion. Lastly, the electrical system distributes power safely. PVC conduits are installed before plastering. Then, wires are pulled through and connected to sockets and a DB box. Tools include wire strippers and testers. Each system has its challenges like potential leaks, blockages, or fire risks. That's why proper installation by skilled workers is crucial. In conclusion, infrastructure may be hidden, but it's what makes a home livable, safe, and functional. Next, I'll be presenting about temporary technologies used in our bungalow construction project. Although these tools are not part of the final house, they are essential during construction to ensure safety and efficiency. The three main technologies we use are scaffolding, site office and facilities, and temporary fencing. Scaffolding provides safe access for workers at height, especially during roofing and wall works. It's made of steel or aluminium pipes with wood or metal platforms. Site office are temporary structures used for planning, meetings, and storage. They may also include rest area and portable toilets for workers. Temporary fencing protects the site from unauthorized access and prevents accident. It is made from safety, netting, metal panel, and hoarding. In short, this temporary system keep the construction process organized, safe, and efficient, making them a vital part of our bungalow.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Syarah binti Bisar and my matrix number is AA241837. So in this bungalow, the floor and ceiling materials are chosen for both function and style. The floor use ceramic style which are strong, easy to clean and give a modern polish look. For the ceiling, we use a combination of PVC panels and gypsum board. PVC is water resistant and low maintenance, while gypsum boards add a smooth finish and help with insulation. Together, these materials improve the home's durability, comfort, and overall appearance, that making it better space to live in.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Ismawaja binti Ismail from Section 4. Today, I will briefly present three important construction components used in our bungalow project: the concrete slab foundation, the reinforced concrete stairs, and the earthworks and setting out process. Let's start with the concrete slab foundation. This one of the most common types of foundation used in houses, especially bungalows. It is a flat concrete base poured directly on the ground. The slabs support the weight of the house and also act as the floor. So why do we choose it? Because it's cheap, strong, and fast to build. It also lasts a long time and resists fire and termites. To build it, we first clear the land, level it, and compact the soil. Then we put up formwork to hold the shape of the slab and add steel reinforcement inside. After that, we pour the concrete, spread it evenly, and smooth the surface using tools. The last step is curing, where we leave the concrete to harden properly. Next is the structure and design of stairs. We choose reinforced concrete straight stairs. This type is strong, safe, and suitable for indoor and outdoor use. It also looks modern and clean. We start by measuring and marking the stair layout. Then, we install formwork and add steel bars inside for strength. Next, we pour concrete, vibrate it to remove air bubbles, and level the surface. After curing, we remove the formwork and finish the surface. We can use tiles, paint, or add anti-slip strips. Concrete stairs are better than timber because they are more durable, fireproof, and need less maintenance. However, they do take more time and cost a bit more to build. The material used include cement, sand, gravel, water, and steel bars. Tools like excavators, concrete mixer, trowels, and skids helps with the job. Finally, let's talk about earthworks and setting out. This is the first step before building anything. For our bungalow, we must prepare the land by removing plants, rocks, and topsoil. We then level and compact the ground to make it stable. Setting out means marking the exact location of the house on the land. We use tools like measuring tape, pegs, string lines, and theodolite to make sure everything is straight and in the right place. Machines used include excavators, bulldozers, and plate compactors. Mechanical methods are faster and more accurate, but manual methods are cheaper and need more time. To conclude, all three components, the foundation, the stairs, and the earthworks, are very important to ensure the house is strong, safe, and long-lasting. Using the correct materials, tools, and techniques help make the construction process successful. Thank you for listening. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.